Well, I told Shelly we'll open up the gifts as they come around here, I guess. Put down for a minute. We got a minute. Come on. Oh, come on. Look at this. Here she's doing it already.
Oh, come on, you guys. Mom, Buster, get in here. This is about blind you.
That's great.
Don't use it then.
Yeah,
Are you still afraid of me, friend?
Oh, come here, Dad. Come on, hon.
Wait a minute,
Get down in there.
You look like the Grim Reaper.
Look at this. No fair. Look over there at the pillow. Come on, you guys.
Come on, you guys. Don't even act like I'm here.
Don't act like you're not there, okay?
Yeah.
Where's Shelly?
She's in a funny looking robe.
Yes. Act like she's not here. I gotta give me an extract.
Hon, come on.
I give you an extract.
Okay.
Go on, Shelly.
I washed them.
What?
I washed them. What's up with
Okay, boys.
Stop still. Okay. Now that. Now, find the other one.
Who's missing the other one?
Mike.
Travis needs another one.
No, there they are, right there. Now we got Mike's.
There we go.
Did you look all the way around here, huh?
No. You've already looked through these?
Did you look through these?
No.
Me.
I just looked here in front.
Wait, why? Look on yours. There? Like on each yours.
Mike, here we go.
That's it.
Now, I had yours out here. Did you put yours back in there? I'm gonna slap you if you did.
I did.
You guys, this is a pretty
Huh.
picture.
I wasn't supposed to do that.
Boys gonna start it in yours?
There you go. I've got this stuff in the bedroom. Come on, come on. Get. I gotta bring trash bag in. That's why I usually do. I'll set a trash bag in here.
Yeah, I could put it
Hey. Oh, yeah. Alright. Hey, great.
There it is. You got the same thing. No, you didn't. Just different.
There's the box.
Buster, what's yours?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, come on.
Hurry. Now that is a surprise.
I like that.
Did you have one of them?
No.
I told Charlie I didn't think you did. You had two jackets.
Who's like better, Mike? Mine is.
You want that?
You my dad?
You want that?
They're
We
making
see
sure
it.
they don't get their faces.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of mine out there.
I didn't think you had one. I didn't know. I told Charlie I didn't think you had one.
My second gift is in yours.
Okay.
It's my first one.
That's amazing.
That's
I knew it.
No.
Shouldn't shake with the street.
Thanks, Shelly.
You're welcome, Buster.
You have to change the other kids when they come, huh?
Yeah.
So that's from your dad.
Yeah.
He didn't give it to me yet.
Mine's better, Jake. Yeah. See mine?
Mine's better.
Ah,
Mine's better.
who cares? I got something else to eat
Yeah.
in.
Yeah.
Your dad.
He's trying to keep his face out. I know what he's doing.
that much more.
Jacket.
What's
Nick,
it recording?
pick that out too, because I didn't
Yep.
do recording.
Here it is.
Here, put your hands right here, Buster. It's easier.
That's
Feels
pretty.
good.
This is the kind I was wanting. I
You
don't
want to
want
stop
Don't touch this thing right here. Don't.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
yes, this is my, look here. This is my jean jacket. I want it. That's pretty?
Oh, yes it is.
Yeah.
That is pretty.
Oh, yes. My jean jacket. Oh, I like it. I want to wear it for a long time.
Thank you, Mom.
You like that?
Mm-hmm, that's pretty. This is
Well, I have to take it back and get a size if it's too big.
Is that what
Like
you?
that?
Is that what you got? That's pretty.
There's a little story behind what I got. That ring.
Here.
What's the story?
What? Look at it.
It was supposed to have been a diamond ring, and just what you wanted to try to take it back.
Oh, you got me some of the match thing. Oh, look at here.
That's pretty.
Isn't that nice? Oh, yes.
Here you go, Mother.
Wait. Oh,
What's this?
you guys,
So how much did you have there?
you guys spent too much money. Look at this, Shelley. They got me 2 sets of this. These are how much? $20-some a set.
How long was Sam?
Well, where get yours?
I'm open.
I am open. Look at 2 sets of these dishes. Who wants my old Cornelle? I'm getting rid of them.
I'll probably need it.
Buster will need 'em.
Buster needs a set. Buster, he needs something worse, don't
I've wanted a
you?
set of these ever since this design come out. You wouldn't believe it. I'm getting rid of them. Come in here.
There you go.
How many things did
Wait a
you guys
minute.
get me? You
Okay.
shouldn't have.
Oh, Buster, don't get me on that camera. Pull my hair down.
These electric works, yeah, they are.
It's the last one she said you were gonna
Uh-huh. I'm going to get me a pair of these.
Even the silverware. Look at this.
Buster, you need silverware too?
I don't believe this. I was wondering if we was going to have enough silverware to go around today.
That's pretty sweater, Keith.
Yeah, it is. Matches
No, I'm not washing them.
Look at that.
Let me
You can
see.
just lay them
I
out
don't
and
know how
rip
good
them out.
that'll
Those
be,
are pretty, aren't they?
Oh, those are. I don't believe that. Ah, come on, guys. Gee whiz.
Hey, Buster, is that thing
Now
big
this
enough
is something
for
I
you?
need.
You can push that black thing down. If it's
You got me a set last year.
No, I just wonder how you shut it off.
Huh?
I know how long to record it.
You guys, this is
Thanks for
not-
jeans and sweater, Mother. I was going to go buy me a pair of jeans.
Get your other package.
Colt Ned?
Who bought you the lamp?
You open up
Molly?
your, huh?
Those lamps are pretty. You got
Those are
those?
Those lamps are
Those
April's.
are mine.
Oh, those
She
are
got this
pretty.
Christmas gift we got her.
This is great photography. I want you to know that.
This is my jacket.
There, I got Keith's best side there.
For my coveralls. That's my jacket.
I don't even know that one. The little plates don't
Look
come
at
in there,
this.
so. we have-
You guys had, for all this, you had to give $150 for this whole set.
Did I pack?
Don't worry about
You
it.
ain't supposed to ask for prices.
Yeah, I was
That's too
gonna
much
buy me a
money.
You're not
jacket.
supposed to ask.
The cups I don't
Arlington.
like.
What you like? You were supposed to like those cups.
I like the waist
No,
band.
you don't like
Yes, I
that.
do.
Why?
They're the cheap kind.
Don't tell her that's why I got her, Mother. The waist on.
Well, you ain't supposed to discuss prices.
And I told her she didn't like it, we'll take her back and get her another one.
Yeah, but Keith just got you saying he didn't. He wanted the other kind.
Cause the hair goes up this kind. Let me try the one up.
I
You
like
want
that.
another one?
I think it's
Yes, I got everything. Look at this, a whole set.
There you go.
No, it's some more than that.
Oh, come on, you guys.
It's not very much, Mother.
Not very much.
I
I know what
like
these
that
are.
jacket. You like it?
I like pockets.
You should get that thing on my face.
You guys got me the whole set. I don't believe this. Glasses. I've been wanting a set of those ever since those Harks come out.
You didn't want the rest of it up?
Yeah, well, I didn't expect the rest of it.
Shit.
You realize
I didn't
these
know this
things-
down in there.
Oh, that's that little thing I just picked up.
Who's this at?
Mom, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, Fringe. Let's get those.
ouch, I broke my finger. Look at these.
Oh,
Oh,
those are pretty.
oh, you guys.
There you go.
The fringe.
The fringe.
What's that? Yeah, what's up?
Her collar.
Her
Oh,
collar.
you even got me a candle holder match.
Where'd you pick out of
No,
that?
that's got roses on it. I thought that would look nice. I thought you'd like it in your bedroom. I ordered that off of Heather when she sold that stuff.
Watch your fingers, kids.
You guys shouldn't have. We got another one yet. That must be the pops of the pants match. The pants you did an awful lot of cooking going on.
We go here all the time.
You knew you had to get it, you didn't just run out of stuff to eat all those.
Wear and the match.
Yeah, friend. Hey, the only thing we didn't get was the canister set, wasn't it?
Canister set.
Yeah, you got your one canister set out there.
That should be coming out for coffee pot.
Yes.
Now you got a whole new kitchen.
Can you hold it up here?
Not right now.
There. Yeah.
There's your new ball.
You guys
There's your
should
new
have
ball.
done this.
I wasn't very much.
Don't tell me. I
was.
was out there. I know.
You probably priced them out of grocery store,
Yeah,
mother.
well,
We
we
pay double
know.
for
I was with
everything.
April when we was looking at
Yes, but they were high, but we got everything on sale. So it wasn't as much as you think.
Your dad.
it. It's expensive, I
Favorite
know.
show.
What the hell she got?
Hey, friend. Friend.
They got me everything.
Look at Fringe, look at Buster.
Friend. Your friend.
35 feet, friend.
Friend.
Check her out.
I didn't even know you.
Friend.
35 feet, look,
Yes.
look at your ball. Well, they have. Look at your ball. They didn't have it out here. They just had it at Hills. 35 feet.
You guys shouldn't have done this.
Aren't you pretty?
Wet, get his trench coat.
Mom.
We do it, bud.
Pretty.
Get out in the sun now, can't you?
Where's her cat?
That's enough of that.
Well, you don't want to use your silver unless you use your face, so.
Oh, I'm gonna use everything.
What now?
There it is.
No,
Friend.
we can't, can we?
Watch
We
that.
have no-
Friend.
You ain't got no silver.
Friend. Look here, girl.
We
Yeah.
don't. We'll have to use those because I don't have
Of course,
enough.
it's not like you did that.
Yes, we'll have to because I don't have enough.
Well, we can take the face out and it's gone real quick.
You're pretty, puppy, aren't you?
Ain't this nice?
Now we're gonna do it for all the rest of them.
I don't know, but this is definitely going in my cabinet. I'm using these.
What's she getting into?
Because I
Her
really
ball.
like them.
Her ball's right here.
You guys should have done all.
Well, you had to get a serving of 8, mother. That's what we did.
Yeah.
And silverware servings of 4, so.
Two of those.
Oh, I'm gonna put this scarf on her now.
And then, like I told April, you eat off them small plates.
Yeah.
And then you couldn't buy them in a set. So we had to buy them separate.
You guys shouldn't have done all this. No, you really shouldn't have.
Look at Fringe, Mom.
That hat, where did you get that hat at?
Hills.
What's your
Here's
collar
this-
got on?
Here's her scarf to match. Put scarf on her.
That hat looks near as hell. Look at it. Fringe, Fringe, what are you doing?
Cool dude.
Fringe, Fringe,
Fringe,
Fringe.
They got
Fringe.
Fringe.
It's over her eyes, for one thing.
There's
Fringe.
dinner paste, cereal
What's wrong,
bowls,
bud?
butter
Look,
mugs.
See that kid?
Look.
Then they got me.
Fringe, look.
They're around here
Oh, you
somewhere.
can get a platter
They got
and a
Yeah.
serving bowl too. There
We
you
good,
go.
bud.
It's like a meat
Look at
platter.
Friend.
There's one of those. Yeah.
There's
Hey, here,
a meat
friend.
platter and a serving bowl, and we didn't get those either.
Friend. Look here.
No, it's,
Here.
now that's
Yeah.
that's a,
Yeah, pretty girl.
sound plate.
Here, Fringe, look.
Yeah. I like the. I eat all these
Yeah,
small
oh
things.
yeah. But your dinner
Here, hold
plate's
this up.
Here, friend. Here.
I don't believe
Look,
this, you
Fringe.
guys.
Who's out
That's so
there?
pretty.
I think that's mom, and they'll just.
Fringe, here, you'll be chocolate. Fringe.
Fringe.
That's one that's.
Kid should have that chewed up.
Fringe, peach chocolate. Keith, you might want to move those lamps to the bedroom.
That is very nice. I don't believe this.
We're gonna let you plug them in, see if you like it.
Oh,
I
you
wanted
could
a
have,
set
did
of
you?
those for a long time when they
It's
first
kinda
come out with
big,
those
isn't it?
parks.
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe the whole thing.
Big,
though.
yeah.
Goodness.
Kind of big, isn't it?
I think it does.
Oh, it's great.
I don't know, Keith. I think it looked better on me.
Hey, Buster,
Huh?
you don't want to give up that brown jacket, though, do you?
Yeah, no, I've got me a pretty leather jacket.
Thanks, April. She knows what hats and stuff you want.
You may not want to come too close to me. I want you
That's
to get
all
it
right.
this year.
She's contagious, mother. Look out.
Oh, thanks for everything.
Yeah, we went up back. We went up to the hills. Last one had that stuff for last
That crazy dog.
showed it one day. Went to a meeting. Like I'm stained or something.
There's Mary and Dick.
So
It's kind of long, Mother.
I got mine at the Deb shop.
No, it's not that way. It looks nice on you.
Let's long.
Yeah, it's not.
You went there. You could get it out the side.
Where'd you like birthday?
Hi, Grandpa.
You got ready?
Yeah.
Come into the bathroom.
Huh?
Come into the bathroom. How did you do that?
I kicked my belt.
You did.
Yeah.
You gotta get some.
Friend.
Fancy neck.
Wait a minute, Dad. We're
Fancy neck.
I'm in Fringe.
Making sure he gets there when he hit the door.
You look ferocious with that hat on, Fringe.
Hi, Kitty.
Hey, Beck, we got in there. Anything good?
Buster. Oh, she's
Fringe, you look like a killer
Got
dog.
in there. Anything good?
Scary, that hat on, yes.
Fringe is
Friends, what are you doing? Back.
about 4:30.
Ooh.
Her scarf underneath so it hangs down on her neck.
Like a tennis player. Here, friend, just put your scarf on.
You hold her up there.
I don't think I have to play this thing off for Grandpa's side. I should my pants. It is. I have to play this thing. I think I'm pretty sad.
Well, we got it on tape, too.
Fringe is pretty.
We got it on
He always
tape.
talks to me and I can't
Look,
never
Fringe.
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 30 seconds.
There you go.
Enough of
What
this
you doing,
shit.
bud?
Somebody else.
Fringe.
Keith, why don't you move
Candy,
it
Candy.
late?
Here, you want a piece? Come here.
So Jeff Palm's putting those together,
Candy.
Shell?
Candy.
Jeff Palm's putting those together. I put one together, Jeff put one together. Take them in there, that way someone can set the chair and stuff.
Where's Grandma? She ain't come in, is she? Oh, Dick.
Over there.
You smell foes?
Yeah, here.
God, this looks like
Looks like
my God.
We just did Christmas dresses. Fringe.
Did you get them all opening them presents, Buster?
Yeah, we got most of them, I think.
Oh, dear. Where's Eddie?
You should be over in a little bit. I didn't even comb my hair today. No, don't do that.
How are you?
I'll tell you, I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning.
Okay, turn this off.
Happy Christmas.
I don't know what we put stuff on his
just a
plate.
little bit here.
Okay, you guys will sit here.
No, there's your boy.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year.
That Buster done that all the way for me coming in that door.
That's all right, Grandma.
No, you better not.
Doing what,
Just
Ralph?
get you a plate and start fixing.
Yeah.
Buster?
You told me to get the time we get the camera put out, Mom.
Are you gonna get everybody on that now?
Yeah. Hi, Grandpa.
Excuse me, huh?
Yes.
Excuse me.
Whoops, Mom.
Get him back in your car.
Oh, Chris.
Make sure you get Bugs Bunny pin.
Make sure you get one of the things.
Nice.
Ice cream.
Get that thing out of here. They got me since I got my vegetables.
He's still eating, Dick.
Give me that for seconds.
Okay.
Give me that for seconds. Take them these vegetables.
You want some more beets?
No.
How come you don't want biscuits?
Oh, Chris.
Look at all this good food Mom's
She's good at
prepared
it, isn't she?
today.
Yes, she is.
We're looking at all the good food.
She's getting mine right you should see the one that we made down Thanksgiving down at her house on Thanksgiving.
Oh, I never seen that one yet,
You haven't
Mom.
seen it?
No.
I think it's in here.
I know. It's a Thanksgiving. Grandpa was here.
Carlene,
Huh?
have you got any ice cream?
Yes, Mom. It's right there. We got pumpkin pie.
Oh, do you want a piece of pie?
Sugar cookies everywhere. Cake.
Embarrassing.
What's embarrassing?
Where's the whole food in the kitchen? I said, yeah, aren't you?
What do you say in there? For the same price.
Potatoes.
Chris, Buster was recording. When Grandpa came in, I pooped my pants.
I had those since like work. I go by myself like that.
He was talking to
Did they hear from their mom?
Daddy, where's my present I got? Here it is. I got it.
Hey, Keith.
You looking at me or him?
No, man.
I keep that camera on.
He's got the camera. He's got the camera on you fellas. Don't do that.
Whoa. Hit me too. One's gotta do it, y'all gotta do it.
Got about nights ago, it was supposed to come on there. They said 4 o'clock, that's fine, but
take
let's
back?
come on
Did
5.
you watch a movie, did you?
Yeah, but Mike wasn't there, so I couldn't fix it so you could watch. It's the same one they show every year.
I'll probably see it too.
That, Andrew Dugan plays as John Walton, and Hattie Tricia Neal plays as his wife. And Irene Dunn plays as John's mother, but they've got a different grandpa. What's that along the Walton?
They stay out there until they come in, their fingers all red, their ears and nose. What do you do? Yeah. Honda 300. It's big commercial finger like we use. They like it. They can put it down the yard and out to the field. They make it go.
Terrible, but he fished the whole time about it, didn't you, Keith?
What?
When you cleaned the trap in the bathtub.
What do you want to drink?
Turn the camcorder around toward you now.
Pepsi or tea, that's it.
What we do? Get this thing for Christmas?
Shell went out and bought it.
Huh?
I say we might get us a one that we can send into the funniest videos, you know?
That's about the third or fourth picture they took of me doing this damn
Buster is
thing.
sitting there running when they got fish on him. Shane jumped on that. Held it here and away he went. Yeah.
I just asked him, I said, what do you got? And I said, what do I got?
Amber got right on behind him and then they
Get out here! Get out here! A camera recorder with you! No!
one's riding, he'll come around and pick the other one up. Then that one get cold, he'll go in the house, so the other one dry.
Guess I can do that.
Yeah, get one, be back out there, and the other one, you know, pick the one up and come out of the house and let him fight.
I'm going through $100 worth of gas a week now. Kelly's in there playing with kids' toys.
Mom,
I
you
got
got the
that.
oven on. You want it on or stop this on?
There's something on there. You turned it on. I turned the oven off, but I might have something else on. Things more.
Well, go ahead and play all them toys, Fran. Just throw you in there and shut the door.
All right.
Excellent. I don't think she likes kids
You don't
though.
go and get out,
No, anything from here. I just.
don't run any place like that.
No, that's right.
Everyone.
Go in and take a picture of themselves on the van.
Oh, damn, Dick in Kansas City, they got this great big
That's what we'll do.
Yeah, we're just
underground cold storage. And you go in it, and they took out big rock college where they left the rock stand. Yeah, you drive through there.
That's what I thought would be all
You go
right.
back in
I'm
there.
gonna get one. Take his picture. There. Take his picture.
Yeah, they rock
Call everybody to the house.
Yeah.
Hi, Keith.
He was taking pictures when we come in the door.
Everybody left the cap on.
Yeah, but he left the cap on.
You did?
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
That's government storage. Yeah, and they got government storage in there.
Yeah, they definitely big out.
Storage, that's what I'm thinking.
Sent it into America's
Temperature's already 56 degrees, so they have to
Don't use the whole film, because we definitely have to get Eddie in his trench coat.
No, I don't. I don't have any zeal.
Well, see, one of these days when I get rich, I'm gonna have to all they do.
30 companies back
Right there,
there.
darling.
You don't know. Then you run around.
This boy would ever hurry up.
When the house was back in one road, they had
It's
the
not,
rest of climb out.
he ain't eating.
It had a boat shack, and it had one in there,
You're on there.
army guy standing in there going shack. That was government back there.
But you have to get tired of holding that thing.
There's that thing right
No, but yeah, get corn in on the food.
That was down in the bottom. No, he will not get me on the commercial. I heard that.
Jeez, mother.
You do, I'm glad.
It's better than all they gear. I need an ashtray.
I think, Charlie.
Huh?
Anybody got an ashtray?
Where's the kids going?
Just sit still for a few minutes. Here.
Here, come here.
You go, boy. Well, I thought I had one just about
Tina's
like
on her
this.
way. Well, it is, but just roll out.
No. I thought I just got one like that.
Oh, well, then you got two like that.
I won't. Don't do that. You see the film? Drop it on the floor.
Where's an ashtray?
Yeah, go over by the tree, babe. Don't miss it. Would you, Mom,
Come
get to him over
here,
there.
We can see you better.
Everybody got the tree in their
Come on,
picture.
Get over
I
here.
ain't down feeling.
Get over there.
Everybody got their picture
Go
in the
get
tree.
your
Get
butt.
over
You
there.
get Jeff for being late.
Mother, do something with these glasses.
Bye, Jeff.
Is Jeff here? Oh, Jeff's there. Turn around, Eddie, so we can take your picture.
Turn around, Roscoe. We think this is Christmas.
Trying to figure out what this is.
Gas games.
What'd they do? Get you a dress, bud?
No, my trench coat.
A trench coat?
Yep.
What the hell you been doing?
Get this.
Well, I didn't know what else to get you, you dang bat, until you told me you wanted a stupid trench coat.
You want an umbrella too?
Try it on, Eddie.
A purse too, maybe?
This in style, Mike? Which one?
Is that in style, Mike? Does it fit? That's the largest they had.
Yep.
Yep, it fits.
Good.
You got pantyhose under those pants?
Don't need panties.
Is that what you wanted?
Yes.
Okay. Laugh. Buster said he had to go outside when we were laughing at you.
Now,
That looks nice.
You know, it does, don't it?
I won't be able to
He
take
says
it.
truck drivers aren't wearing those in the New England states.
I ain't got nothing, Grandpa.
You need a hat. Yeah, I got him a hat.
Yeah.
Got the boots.
I ain't got
I
nothing.
should have given a pair of nice gloves too.
Yeah, really. And now he needs a new pair of boots. He's going to have to shine those up.
What's those things there he's got?
That's there. I got off of. That's a AM and FM clock radio. I got that off of Toys. It runs by batteries. Yeah.
Well, Ed's got 4 presents. I only got 2.
But the money makes up the difference. $160 for your coat.
How much? We'll pay it back.
Oh, geez, could you turn that around? Turn that around. Here I am talking Keith into that thing. I'm going to slap it. Here I am.
Pretty good size, don't they?
Is that big enough?
Yeah, these things here, I think might be a little bit too big.
What do you mean too big?
Pals? Don't call us what, lapels?
Well, yeah, I think it's a little bit too big.
Mike? They don't button back, does it?
None of these don't.
That damn, Mike, you had the whole pie, didn't you?
It fits good though, don't it?
See, most of them sets up here. That way when they fold them like this, and for business guys, you can still see their ties.
Honey, I don't know nothing about trench coats. Take it back to 29.
Grandma don't like his, does she?
I don't wear ties.
It's recording your voice on this too, Granny.
Yeah, we've been out.
You don't think you don't like it?
I don't think you'll wear it. I can't picture you wearing it. You've never seen like the type.
Yeah, we've been out.
Why wouldn't you wear it? I think it's fine.
Flash one. I gotta get like my sister Shell.
There you go.
So I can talk about everybody else.
Eddie, did Renee or the kids' dad get to come with this Christmas?
See lights now.
He said he didn't call her.
Renee called her, he said earlier. She didn't call
Talk
back.
to the kids.
She really wanted to call her. She called back.
Yeah, we've been kids.
She didn't talk to the kids.
Hey, she
Wouldn't tell me who I got on here.
Thank you, Cal.
What for?
No, I
Them kids only got this
Yeah, we've been out.
3 years now.
It stops after a while now.
Either one of them always call.
She's gonna sit down there.
It's on the throne, I think.
Dad, hurry up, I've got to go to the bathroom.
He's in his underwear. He's not doing anything. I don't know how to work this.
Time not to get dressed by now.
Put your hand, no. Put your hand through there. No.
I know, we should have.
Put your hand through here.
Put
Put your hand up through here.
Up to what?
Through this thing right here.
You're gonna punch my eye.
Through this thing.
Do this thing.
No.
Who won that? I won that game.
You got it? Right here.
I don't know if I want any more of these 550 pins or not. These are one Kim's got me. I don't think I like him.
Those right there?
I can take yours back if you want me to.
Where are you headed for?
I don't want it.
Take kids home. Oh, tonight?